In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore WooCommerce pages. If your shop, cart, checkout, or My Account pages are missing or were accidentally deleted, WooCommerce has a built-in tool that can recreate any pages you need without overwriting the ones you already have. We'll walk through it together, step by step, so you can get your store back on track quickly. Start by opening your WordPress website's admin dashboard in your browser. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on WooCommerce. This opens the main WooCommerce settings area where you'll find tools for managing your store. Next, click on Status. The status screen is where WooCommerce gathers technical information about your store. Don't worry, you won't need to change anything complicated here. We're just heading to a specific tool that helps restore the default pages. At the top of the status screen, click the Tools tab. This tab collects maintenance utilities that WooCommerce provides. It's a safe place to perform routine housekeeping tasks provided directly by the plugin. Now, scroll down the Tools page until you find the section labeled something like Create WooCommerce Pages or Create Default WooCommerce Pages. This section includes a single action, a button that says Create Pages. This tool is designed to create any missing core pages WooCommerce needs to function properly. Go ahead and click Create Pages. When you do, WooCommerce will automatically generate any pages that are missing, such as Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. It won't replace or duplicate pages that already exist. It only fills in the gaps. Depending on your site, you may see a brief confirmation message indicating the pages were created. If you don't see a message right away, give it a moment and avoid clicking multiple times. WooCommerce handles it in the background. That's all there is to it. By using the built-in Create Pages tool, you've restored the essential WooCommerce pages with their correct shortcodes, ensuring your store's core functions work as expected. This is especially helpful after a theme change, a migration, or if pages were removed accidentally. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. The WooCommerce menu appears only if the plugin is active, and you'll need appropriate permissions to access the status and tools screens. If the tool indicates everything is already in place, that's good news. Your pages are present and don't need to be recreated. You're done. Your WooCommerce pages are restored and ready to use.